If you love fake food, you've probably seen the Melissa and Doug Simmer Stir Stove-Top Playset. I'll admit it, I watch those videos where people play with fake food, so I gave myself permission to finally buy my own set. A color-changing fake food set felt a little bit bougie for my first investment, but hey, what are you gonna do? Right out of the box, these materials feel of a nice quality. I don't know about y'all, but you can kind of feel the quality of a plastic composite. These feel nice, durable, with a good weight to them as well. And for anyone who likes ASMR, they sound incredible. This set is listed at $21.99 USD. This set includes 6 vegetables, 6 proteins, 2 meal discs, the menu, spoon, and the squeeze bottle, plus the stovetop and the cooking pot. Right here, I'm filling up the squeeze bottle with water. And then we fill up the spoon as well. And now let's get cooking. And unlike most of my other videos where I would speed this process up, I'm actually going to just let it play through slowly because I ended up playing with this thing for like an hour. I really had to edit this video down. I really like the texture of the color changing material that's on the protein and the vegetables. I would like to note, be careful with the meal discs because it's very easy to scrape the picture off of them. This awesome squeeze bottle is actually where a lot of the magic is going to come in, along with the spoon. I'm actually surprised how this didn't get as messy as I was expecting, even though you're using water. If you're someone like me who has a lot of sensory processing issues, I thought this was a really good way to get me using water, but actually enjoying it because I usually don't like water on my hands. So this is almost doubling as some exposure therapy for me. And by now you can probably hear that this gift was also for baby girl because she's fronting a lot right now. I really love getting to watch them change colors. I love this toy set so much. I think for the price point and the actual experience, this has been a very worthwhile purchase. And I think now it's time to eat.
Before you eat it.
This toy set also packs away pretty perfectly into a gallon-sized Ziploc bag if you ever want to stow it away for quick traveling. If you're interested in purchasing this toy set yourself, I'm going to leave a link in my bio. Keep in mind, it's an affiliate link, and I will gratefully receive a small commission if you decide to use my link.
That's spam.
I also have another Melissa and Douglas, plus many other toys I'll be unboxing for my YouTube channel. So if you like these types of videos, subscribe and follow for more.